Another day at the office.
Team Perfect Cousin, COC Bass team, we at it again, y'all. Me and Babu about to take flight, getting ready to hit this water this morning. We gonna check back in with y'all a little later.
In a few minutes, we'll be right back.
Everybody talking about they want to see us on this water, Babu. Tell them come get some. Brothers in Christ at it again, y'all.
Team Perfect Cousin, the COC Bass team, we at it again, y'all. Me and Babu on this water again, trying to make some things happen. We grind it out today, y'all. We grind it out. Still got one more in the live well, but my hand too small. Tell them about it, Babu.
We did it again. COC Band team. Do it, anybody. Look what we do. This everyday thing.
Yes, sir.
Large mouthpiece.
Yes, sir.
Hand mover. Hey, one in the live well. We ready?
He ain't got 3 hands, y'all. We can only hold them. We keep them in the live well, y'all. Team Perfect Cousin, COC Band team, we at it again, y'all.
I had 3 hands. I look funny one.
Look at that body on that fish, boy. Like Snoop Dogg say, come get some, nephew.